Hello guys, and today we're actually going to show you how to install VMware 14. And what you have to do is just go to this link here and then install this. And then I've already downloaded it, so let me cancel it. Okay, so this is what you'll get. And then it'll have the serial keys and then the VMware Workstation 14. And I'll execute this and show you that it's actually the real thing. Just in case you're wondering that it actually might be fake. Oh god, did I just freeze? Oh, wait, just this. So, okay. So you should actually get it to where it just executes it, and yep, it actually does it. I already have this installed, as you can see. Let me end the task. Let me end the task here. There you go. Okay, so yeah, you shall get this file and then you're ready to go. Just this link though. Just this link. I'll put it in the description, by the way. So no wonder for, or what?